In this video, I'll guide you through how to add or change a payment method in your Facebook Ads account. Whether you're launching your first ad campaign or updating your billing information, having the correct payment method connected to your Facebook Ads account is essential. Even if you've received advertising credits, Facebook may still require a valid payment method before your campaigns can begin running. Fortunately, updating your billing details only takes a few minutes inside Ads Manager. To get started, sign into your Facebook Ads Manager account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. From the menu on the left-hand side, locate the Billing and Payments section, which is represented by a credit card icon. Click on it to open your account's billing settings. Once you're in the Billing and Payments area, select Payment Methods from the menu. This page displays all of the payment methods currently linked to your advertising account. If you're adding a new payment method or replacing an existing one, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Add Payment Method to continue. Facebook will then ask you to choose the type of payment method you want to add. Depending on your account and region, you may see options such as a debit or credit card, PayPal, or a bank transfer. Select the payment method you want to use and click Next to continue. You'll now be prompted to enter the required payment information. Carefully fill in all of the requested details, making sure everything is accurate before proceeding. Once you've completed the form, click Save to submit your new payment method. After a few moments, the page will refresh. If everything was entered correctly, you should see your new payment method listed with a confirmation indicator showing that it has been successfully added to your account. Depending on your account setup, you may also have the option to enter or update your business information at this stage. If your goal is to change your payment method rather than simply add another one, you can return to the Payment Methods page after adding the new option and manage your available payment methods from there. That's all there is to it. By keeping your payment information up to date, you can help ensure your Facebook ad campaigns continue running without unnecessary interruptions. Whether you're adding a payment method for the first time or updating your billing details, the process is straightforward and can be completed directly from the Billing and Payments section of Facebook Ads Manager.